Welcome to our exciting YouTube Kids channel, where we embark on a fun and educational journey to discover the enchanting world of apples. Green apple. Join us as we explore the fascinating universe of these delicious fruits, from their vibrant colors to their unique shapes and tastes. Our apple adventure. What to expect? Eyes watch as we take a close-up look at different varieties of apples, each with its own personality and flavor profile. From the crisp and sweet to the tart and tangy, there's an apple for every taste bud. Get ready for some hands-on fun with exciting apple-themed crafts and activities. We'll show you how to turn apples into artistic masterpieces and create delightful apple-themed decorations that will brighten up any space. Dive into the orchard with us and learn about the life cycle of an apple tree. Discover how these amazing trees grow, blossom, and produce the juicy fruits we love to munch on. We'll also share interesting apple facts and trivia to spark your curiosity. Did you know that there are over 7,500 different varieties of apples worldwide? Let's explore some of the most unique ones together. Educational and entertaining, our Apple adventure is designed to captivate young minds and foster a love for learning through play. So, grab your little ones, and let's embark on this delightful journey together. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest videos. Get ready for a bushel of fun and knowledge with our Apple Adventure series, where learning is as sweet as the apples themselves.
Okay kids, how is the video? I think fine. Subscribe me, like me and share me. Meet next video. Thank you. Bye bye.